Let us imagine a world where every detail matters, where precision reigns, and where every wooden creation carries the soul of its creator. In this world, one tool stands out, not only for its performance but for its ability to turn vision into reality. This tool, ladies and gentlemen, is the range of electric plunge routers from Katsu Tools, a true technological gem that is revolutionizing the world of woodworking and DIY. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours today. This set of electric plunge routers from Katsu Tools is the ideal tool for DIY enthusiasts and woodworking professionals seeking precision, versatility, and durability for their woodworking projects. Whether you are an amateur looking to perfect your creations or a professional in search of efficiency and quality results, this tool is made for you. At the heart of this set is a router with a remarkable power of 710 watts, capable of spinning up to 33,000 revolutions per minute. Imagine having such power in your hands, allowing you to work with wood with surgical precision, to carve cabinets as if they were sculpted from marble, to create perfect grooves, or to shape edges with unmatched finesse. This router is not just a tool, it is an extension of your will, a faithful companion in the realization of your most ambitious projects. But what truly sets this Katsu tool set apart is its incredible flexibility. Supplied with 3 interchangeable bases, trimmer, plunge, and tilt, as well as 3 collets of 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm. This tool adapts to all your needs and all types of projects, whether you are working on delicate pieces that require great precision or on large projects that demand strength and endurance. This set is up to the task. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. And because comfort and practicality should never be compromised, Katsu Tools has equipped this router with an optimized ergonomic design. Its solid aluminum body not only ensures exceptional longevity but also provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue and allowing for extended work without compromising safety. The soft grip and the integrated dust port are just the icing on the cake, ensuring a clean workspace and flawless control over your tool. Precision is another cornerstone of this set. With its depth adjustment system and quick lock feature, you are guaranteed millimeter precision in your work, allowing for fine adjustments without wasting time. Changing the bits, often tedious with other tools, becomes a breeze thanks to the shaft lock, allowing you to switch from one task to another with remarkable ease. But beyond these technical features, what truly makes a difference is the quality and affordability of Katsu Tools. With over 1,500 reviews, boasting an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, this set of electric plunge routers from Katsu Tools is a popular choice among professionals and woodworking enthusiasts. Each review is the testimony of a satisfied user, a successful project, a dream fulfilled. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, increased versatility. The availability of 3 interchangeable bases and 3 collet sizes allows for adaptability to a multitude of projects and materials. Advantage number 2, ergonomics and user comfort. The ergonomic design and soft grip provide extended comfort during use, reducing user fatigue. Advantage number 3, ease of adjustment and bit change. Thanks to its quick lock system and spindle locks, adjusting the depth and changing the bits are simple and fast, optimizing work time. Advantage number 4, durability. Built with a sturdy aluminum body, this tool promises longevity, even with intensive use. Advantage number 5, dust control. The integration of a dust extraction port minimizes dust dispersion, keeping the workspace clean and healthy. Cozy. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, necessary learning. Beginners may require an adjustment period to fully master all the features and base changes. In conclusion, if you are looking for a tool that combines power, precision, and flexibility, look no further. The set of wood router, electric plunge router 220V, 710W with 3 bases and 3 clamps from Katsu Tools is exactly what you need. To order at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, feel free to click on the link in the description. Your next woodworking project starts here with Katsu Tools. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.